Good day. Thank you for joining, and it's an amazing privilege to see that you clicked on the play button. Thank you so much. I'm excited to have you again on my channel. Thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare my own version of the Tigernut milk. In the north it is called kunun aya. What is it called in your dialect? Let me know. I'm going to show you how I make my own version of the Tigernut milk. This milk is a natural milk, 100% natural. I'm showing you how I make mine 100% natural. And this milk is very good for the body. It's good for those who are looking at going plant-based, for the vegans. It's good for the sexual health. If you're having issues with your sexual health, maybe low libido, sexual dysfunction, you can actually make this drink your go-to because it's going to really help you. And for overall health, either for weight loss or looking to get better at health, this is actually an healthier alternative. So we're getting into the practical right now. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button so that you will get notifications, and click on the notification bell so you will get notifications whenever I post a new video on this channel. You will learn about all things health, weight loss, my business journey, and basically how to prepare healthy recipes for yourself and your family. So are you ready? Let's go into the practical room. Okay, so let's go. With me here, I have my salt. I always use salt to wash things I buy, like fruits, nuts, and vegetables. I have salt, though there are other ways for you to wash your natural produce. I have, this is coconut, but this coconut is not the actual quantity I'm going to use. I'm going to get more in the market. And this is actually the Tigernut, this is the Tigernut seed. This is the Tigernut whatever that you're actually going to use. And I love ginger, so I add a little ginger to my Tigernut milk depending on the quantity. And then one thing I want to make known to you is when you're preparing something healthy like this, it's actually not nice for you to put in sugar to it, because basically sugar is not really good for the body. So you actually go for healthier alternative to sugar. So for my Tigernut, I actually have my dates. For most people, they use the raw dates, they blend it together, but I already have this date syrup already produced by me, so I'm going to use this. If you have the date powder, you can also use it. And then what I'm going to be doing right now is I am going to wash my I'm going to wash this Tigernut. I'm going to be washing it now. So here's me washing it. I'm going to wash it for like 2-3 times. You see this? I put in a little salt in it and I wash to remove the dirt. Of course, you know it will have been, of course, exposed to dust and the lights and everything. So I do this to take away the dirt from it. I hope you can see it in me. And I think the way of washing it, the dirt, the ones that has nothing inside, will actually come up. They'll come up. I wash well. It's good to wash your stuff. Wash them very well to be double sure. For the third time, then I have my hot water already boiled to be double sure. I'm also going to wash it with warm water. I'm pouring my hot water into the pot. So I hope you are enjoying this, and I hope you are going to make this for your family. So this for the third time. And then going to pour in my hot water. It's a little bit hot. Yes, no longer hot because it has mixed with the cold water. And wash it. Wash it. Wash it well. Good and fine. Wash it so well. And pour it out again. I love making my homemade stuff because at least I'll be double sure that the hygiene is okay and everything is fine. One more time. One more time. So here you have it. Already washed. So the next step now is to soak it. I soak it with warm water again, or hot water. I'm going to soak this for some hours. Maybe 12 hours, 24 hours. It depends on what time I have available. The last one I did, I soaked it. I didn't use for, I didn't wait for up to like 12 hours. But I'm going to soak this till the next day before I use it. So this is the first step. I'll show you in the second step. Yeah, so here with me I have already prepared all ingredients. I have the Tigernut here with me. I have already blended it. I use my blender. I have a very strong blender. Let me show you. I have a very strong blender. I use this. It's very strong. It dries dry ingredients and hard ingredients. So I use that to blend this. So you can see it already blended. The Tigernut. This is just the Tigernut that I soaked. And here I have my coconut already blended. So I also used the blender. So I just shredded it and then blended it with water. So I'm going to pour this coconut into this. And of course, you know, I said yesterday that I actually love ginger. I love ginger a lot. So I know for most they don't add ginger, but ginger has its benefit, and I actually love ginger. My family also loves ginger. I've made them to like ginger. So I'm going to put this into the mixture too. Can you see it? See it? Okay. And then mix it. I'm going to give it a good mix. Then I will sieve it and mix it. Can you see it? I've given it a good mix. It's amazing. Then this is my date sweetener. I told you that the date sweetener, I've already done this, I've processed this already. But if you have your whole date fruit, what you can do is you just buy your dates from the market, wash it and soak it in warm water. You can soak it while you're soaking the Tigernut. You can also soak the date. When date is soaked for like hours or 12 hours, or depending on how long you want it to be. But when it's soft, you de-seed it and then you can blend it together when you are blending the Tigernut, or blend it separately and then mix it together. So I will not be putting this one now. I will put it after I have sieved it. I'll just give you a little. I'll just show you a little of how I sieve a little, because I can't sieve everything on the video to make the video too long. So I'll just take a little bit of this and sieve it. So this is my sieve. You can use a cloth sieve, but because I just want to sieve a little, I'm using this sieve. So I'll just pick a little and sieve it. The water depends on how thick you want it to be, but I don't advise you putting so much water into your Tigernut drink to make it so watery. So this is how the Tigernut look like. Because I'm still going to sieve it, I'll pour this one back and fetch more. Can you see it? Can you see the milk? Very healthy. Everything I've put inside is 100% healthy. Can you see this? Okay. I'm going to give this a good sieve later. Let me get a cup. You store this in the freezer. Can you see? This is it. Very healthy drink. Now, I told you, in fact, the drink is already sweet. You don't really need a lot of sweetener. It's already very, very sweet. So, just take a little sweetener and I put it inside and mix it. So here you have it. The Tigernut drink is ready. It's a very easy drink. You don't need to do it in large quantity like this. It's because my family actually just put it in the freezer, and when we need it to bring it out for like a week. This is it. Very healthy. Please make sure you do this and feed yourself and feed your family with what is healthy, because you are actually what you eat. What you give your body is what your body will give you back. You can store this in the refrigerator, store it in the freezer, because it easily gets spoiled. But once it's in the freezer, it won't get spoiled. You can just bring it out and then allow it to defrost. Then you have your drink. So I hope you've gotten value. If you've gotten value, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get notification of our amazing recipes and anytime we post a video. And also share this to your friends so that they can also be part of this amazing community. This is amazing. Like, it is amazing. See you on the next video. You're going to get so much value on the next video. So go there and also watch this. Have a beautiful day.